Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu has thrown his support behind goalkeeper Sipho Chain, urging Cocobros to reconsider his omission from the Bafana Bafana squad as the road to the 2026 FIFA World Cup begins to take shape. Chain has been instrumental in Pirates' title push, delivering consistent performances as the Soweto Giants chase league leaders Mamelodi Sundowns in a gripping Betway Premiership race. His latest standout display came in Pirates' 2-0 victory over Stellenbosch FC at Adlon Stadium on Tuesday night, where goals from Evidence Mahupa and Patrick Maswanganyi secured all 3 points. That result tightened the title race significantly. Paris now sits second on 62 points, just two behind Sundowns, with three crucial fixtures remaining in the season. At the heart of the win was Chain, who delivered another assured performance between the posts. The 29-year-old registered his 18th clean sheet of the campaign, matching the long-standing PSL record held by Sundowns goalkeeper Ronwen Williams.